What's up, family? So today I am scalping on a 1 minute using oil, and my main goal is to perfect my entries and to get a little bit better at understanding and reading market structure. I feel like with the 1 minute, the market does move a lot faster. Of course, there's more fake outs. So it's for me to be more familiar with how the market is moving with certain pairs. USD is my primary pair and oil is my secondary. So lessons learned on this pair. I had this blue zone marked up, this very big blue zone based on a higher time frame. I knew that oil would be coming back to this area for a buy because it has done that in the past. So I used that to kind of guide my next trade. And then I kind of took 50% of this bearish engulfing candle as my target take profit area for the lower time frame, which is what I have marked up. I have quite a few golden lines, which mean different things depending on the time frame. But the one that I'm most interested in is this one right here as my take profit, and of course this one right here as my breaker structure for this wick here. So the way I marked my zone was that I had identified when the market was back here. Uh, I used the disjoint tool to kind of identify my trap area, and what I was looking for is some momentum showing that the oil that the bears, no, the bulls was taking some type of control, and I sat here and I waited to make sure the market was making higher highs and higher lows, which it did to a certain degree. And one thing about this particular pair, it do violate a lot. So um, that was one of the things I was a little kind of aware of. And the reason why I say that is because I had initially expected the market to return to this low right here, but I noticed that it hung around the top of the zone. I think I counted like 15 minutes. So 15 candles just hanging around in a cluster, this consolidation zone. And then I had a large candle break above this this trap area that I had marked out. So what I did was initially was like, okay, well, let me wait for the pullback. Now I've been trying to figure out a great way to wait for the pullback and take entries. And sometimes, I would, wait till I get this bearish candle, and then wait for the market to break above that, and then take the retest for the buy up that way. Sometimes that works. As you can see in this case, it did not really work out the way I had intended because the market pulled back even deeper. And then now it's making this move up. So I think what I'm going to start doing is I have a discounted zone. So I initially was like, let me use my discounted zone, wait for it to pull back, and that's what I had did, as long as it was underneath the 50%. Okay, so obviously the market pulled back a little bit further. So now my second objective is to identify a demand zone where the market had pushed and broke above this high right here, and then use that zone as an area of interest for my buy. So looking at this now, I can see that that will work because the market, pulled back to this zone. I got a reaction here before it started moving up. And what I could have did is got a better entry, and the minute this market broke above this the single candle right here, or even the swing low or the signal candle, I could have just entered the market right here and got a better entry. So I'm tweaking a few things. It's a couple pips off, whatever, but I still want to get better at it. I don't like to see a lot of drawdown. I know eliminating all drawdown doesn't exist, but if I can help it, if I can get better at this, I'm more than happy to learn. So, alrighty, if anybody have any suggestions or tips on how to perfect their entries with little drawdown, please share. And of course, like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned, people. Thank you.